Hi, Miss Maricris Apostadero. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi ma'am, I'm Maricris Apostadero, 37 years old. I live in San Juan, Darangan, Binangonan, Rizal. I am single but I have a live-in partner.
Do you have kids?
Yes ma'am, I have 4 kids.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 1 sibling, my brother.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am a college undergraduate course of Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes ma'am, I have work experience in abroad. I've been there in Hong Kong in 6 months, but I'm going back home due to incident. When I'm there, I'm going to taking 2 children. I will do a house course like cleaning, and I'll do cooking for the family. Then I have experience in Saudi Arabia. I've been there for 2 years, finished contract. I do a house course, and also I'm cooking and washing clothes when I'm there in Saudi.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm describing myself, I am a happy person, ma'am, and I'm a multitasking person also. I do a lot. I'm taking care of the children, doing things like cooking and cleaning the house.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, I don't have tattoo, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I want to go abroad because I want to support my kids. I have a college, my older son, so I need to support them to finish their school.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, I have 3 cats and 2 dogs in my house.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
First, I am calm and I'm waiting her to approach and talk to her. I give her different books or toys and play with her.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. I sing a nursery song like rain, rain, go away, little sock, want to play. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. Please allowing me to be part of your family, and I promise I will taking care of your family, and I hope you're giving me a chance to be part of your family, and I promise that I will taking care of your children. Thank you and God bless.